What's going on, bread chasers? My name is Josh, and today I'm really excited to tell you about the Roth IRA. And I'm just going to jump right into this video, no wasting time. An IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, and the Roth part is actually named after Senator William Roth from Delaware. And so the purpose of getting a Roth IRA is to give you the ability to have your investments grow tax-free. And just to be clear, there are really two main types of IRA accounts. You have traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. And as we focus on the Roth, I want to make it clear, now just getting a Roth IRA, it's not an investment in itself. It's all about what you're putting into the account. And here are some investment types that you can put inside your tax advantage Roth IRA account. You have stocks, index funds, CDs, mutual funds, bonds, cash, and ETFs. And right now I have some videos that discuss a few of these, and I'll be making more videos in the future that talk about these topics. So make sure, if you haven't already, lightly tap that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate you for taking the time to do that. And just to highlight again, the main benefit of the Roth IRA is that the account protects you from taxes when you withdraw the money from your account after age 59 and a half. The goal is to have these investments grow over time so that you can enjoy them later in life. And let me point out that with this account, you're still paying taxes up front, but you can enjoy that capital appreciation gained from your investments later in life tax-free. Here are some of the pros and cons associated with a Roth IRA. To start with the pros, you get tax-free income in retirement. And then the second one is tax-free withdrawals at any time. To explain this a little bit better, these withdrawals can only be from your contributions. So let's say you put $100 into your account, it grows to $200. You can only withdraw the $100 that you contributed into the account without penalty. And keep in mind that if you withdraw your contributions, you can't just come back later and put it back where it was. The IRS does not allow any do-overs. If you take out that $100 that you initially contributed, it's out. So, and you can't withdraw the $100 in capital appreciation that you made. Well, you can, but there's a 10% penalty, plus there's taxes on whatever profit that you made. And here are the cons associated with a Roth IRA account. So, this is not a tax-deductible account. You can't write this off as an expense to lower your tax burden. You just can't do that. You can't use the IRA as collateral when you're seeking to get a loan, maybe to purchase a house or something like that. You're also kind of forced to retire at 60, even if you don't want to. Like for me, I kind of want to retire before 60. I mean, I want to retire at 30, for real. But yeah, that's one disadvantage. But on the other hand, you kind of need that time for compound interest to happen. And that's why starting these accounts at a young age is a really good idea, because you're giving compound interest time, and you have the time in your favor when you're young. Another disadvantage is you can't invest into it once you reach over $122,000 in annual income. So what a problem to have, right? But yeah, so you can't invest into a Roth IRA as much once you kind of exceed that threshold of $122,000 in annual income. But there are loopholes, such as making something like an S-Corp, for example, and paying yourself a salary under $122,000 to yourself. So then in that situation, there's a loophole where you can still use the Roth IRA account and contribute to it as anyone else would. And let's talk about your contributions actually to the Roth IRA, because you can't just dump everything that you have from your savings into this account. And so at the recording of this video, if you're under the age of 50, the maximum that you can contribute each year is $6,000. But over the age of 50, the maximum that you can contribute is $7,000. And these amounts are going to change and adjust with inflation, so don't worry, it's not just going to be $6,000 from here on out till your retirement. This is going to change as it has in the past. And here are my final thoughts on the Roth IRA. This can literally be like one of your only investments, and you'd be setting yourself up pretty comfortably for retirement as long as you follow through with everything. And you know, it's kind of a no-brainer, honestly, because even in the worst case scenario, you can just withdraw the money that you contributed to your account at any time, and it's done and done. Another thought is that this is one of the most highly recommended ways to build wealth over time, and you know, especially if it helps force you to save money rather than just spending your retirement savings elsewhere. Contributing to a Roth IRA on its own can make you a millionaire depending on when you start. And I want to give you a few places where you can actually go right now to just get your Roth IRA started. So we have Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be continuing to make more videos covering these topics such as, you know, financial freedom, online business, investing, and entrepreneurship. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.